Let's make donuts. First, you need to activate your yeast by adding warm milk, yeast, and sugar into a big bowl. Allow to sit for 5 minutes until foamy before adding beaten eggs, cooled melted butter, and salt. Mix together and then add your flour. Add the flour in 2 parts. Using a spatula, add the first part, mix, and then add the rest of the flour and mix again. Transfer to a very well floured surface and knead. Kneading is very important. So knead until the dough is together and smooth. You can check if your dough is ready by pushing a finger in and it should bounce back to you. Or you take a portion of the dough and stretch. The dough should stretch thin until almost transparent without tearing. If ready, transfer to a greased bowl, cover and allow to rise for an hour. Open, punch the air out and transfer to a floured surface. Cut into 3 parts, roll, and cut and place in a warm place to rise for 45 minutes. You can heat the oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes and then turn it off. Place the donuts in there and leave the door open. Fry on both sides using medium heat. Then you can glaze as desired and enjoy your donuts.